Ole clear tu te chibai vek ole voin chu in nei chun zom na karon ti chuak do na in lo hlimpui ve nge karon beisei he in nei na hi mi som bi tlem te ina kan hman ani a ami hring te po hi hun rei tak atanga lovin hreto thian thatak tak te ne na hun a hlim om thei ang bera kan hman na ani a Mizoram in nei dan neihna alawin ang lo deuh ani poin min lo hre thiama nu patuak thar te ta na fuina thatak tak kan don kan in beisei he khovela hian kumhlun tur tu ma kan om lova kan dam chung ni a hian a hlim le a zau thei ang bera thil kan thlir thiam po poimo le in arin om he hmun hi in neihna atana buk ani angin sawrkar bia hun kan siam remangaya in neihna hmun chei mawi te po hi akalaten kan buaipui vek ani engpo ni se mi hring te du dan a chuan ro pui le a khun khan thei ang bera in nei te po kan du ang ma se kan du ang vek hianin thil hi a om thei vek lo ani ti khi kan hriat ve bok angai ani he video a hian a hmeichhia le a mipa chung te na duhsakna thu an hlan te kan ngei thlatel bok dawna tuna chuanin kan thil ti dan phung te i lo thlir ho tuang ule
takin lu song di tang balak sa hnuaia batia min tam takin buka kamar panama so turin mal som je ko se
các phần hưởng mai thì các ngày em trên này cảm ơn quý và chỉ lộ cha Hlim takin mong tụi em sẽ nói các bạn
and I'm excitedly waiting for you in the UK. We will have a big celebration here. I wish you and a big congratulations to one of you. I love you.
Hi, RC, it's Teddy here. I wish you all the best on your birthday as an embark student. I wish you joy, love, happiness on your wedding day as a big like beauty. Enjoy your big day. I miss you and I love you so much. Bye.
What's happening, Eugene, my boy? Just a quick congratulations to you and RC on your wedding day. Hopefully it went lovely. Hope you got some pics and some vids. But when you get back, we'll have a drink and whatnot and celebrate it again. But yeah, hope you had a blessed day. Take it easy, my bro, and give me a message.
I just want to congratulate Eugene and RC on their wedding after Christmas. All the best. And when you lot come back, we'll go for a nice meal and have a few drinks and that, alright? All the best. And send me loads of pictures as well, yeah? Congratulations, you two. All the best.
Hi Eugene, hi RC. Congratulations. Hope you have a lovely wedding day and hope to see you soon. All the best, Tina.
Massive congratulations to my brother and RC on your wedding day. Hope you have a brilliant day. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Eugene and Arcee, on your wedding day. I'm sorry I couldn't be there to celebrate with you. I hope you guys have a long and happy marriage with lots of adventures. Can't wait to see you guys again soon. Bye.
Sending my best mate congratulations to him and Arcee on your wedding day. You're both made for each other. Enjoy, have fun.
Every day with you is magic. Every kiss is better than the last. It's a home I've never known, a place I know will last. For a lifetime of I love yous, two hearts, one beat. You whisper to me, be mine for a lifetime. It's the little things that make our hearts meet. It's like I can hardly breathe when you say night-night. I know we've waited and we've prayed, and here we are for a lifetime. For a lifetime.
Every day I swear I need you. With each glance, I love you more and more. Our walls came crumbling down. Now hand in hand we soar. And here we are for a lifetime. and here we are.